Rainforests' role in producing half of the world's oxygen is crucial for sustaining life on Earth. Its vast expanse of trees continuously photosynthesize, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere and helping regulate the planet's climate. Protecting the Amazon is essential for maintaining oxygen levels and biodiversity, safeguarding ecosystems, and combating climate change. Contribution to oxygen production is vital for supporting diverse life forms and maintaining ecological balance globally. Its extensive tree cover acts as a natural carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis, preserving crucial for mitigating climate change, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring the well-being of ecosystems and human communities worldwide.